Hello everyone, so I'm here to talk about Dr. Marina. The reason why I chose Dr. Marina was because I had saw that she was pretty much was affordable as far as the Reiki session that's going on during our pandemic, so I decided to check her out. Her place of business was very professional, very clean, and we talked for a little bit about my situation, what I need to be cleared up, and that's we went ahead and did a Reiki session. The Reiki session was as advertised. It was painless. It was actually fun to do, and it was very calming. And the effects of the Reiki session pretty much had opened me up and center me pretty much. It pretty much opened up my root chakra, which is your base one, to be like a magnet for more business. And since then, I went on ahead and did her Reiki 1 and 2 classes, which was phenomenal. Phenomenal. She did everything she was supposed to have did for her training and things of that sort. So I definitely recommend her. And if you haven't got your chakras cleaned out, you need to book her. You need to get it cleaned out so everything will be good with you. Thank you.